All right, I'm here today specifically because I was asked to make or print, 3D print, some more heavy-duty face shields. So, headbands for face shields. And I'm going to give you a quick demo on how these things work, how you assemble them. I'm going to come a little closer here, but you'll notice there's three little nubs. 1, 2, 3. All right, those nubs are specifically spaced to be able to accept something that was punched with a 3-hole notebook punch, either pre-punched, or you can buy transparency film, clear transparency pieces of plastic, and use a regular standard 3-hole notebook punch. So anyway, here's how, and by the way, these are much more heavy duty than the other headband shields I was printing a couple weeks ago. And it's about a 9-hour print on my printer. Now that might not be as quick as some people can do it, but my main concern, I went with pretty thin layers, 0.15 millimeter layers, because I wanted to make sure there was a good adhesion between layers. I mean, this thing, you know, you'd really have to try to break this thing, I guess. So now, as far as taking, what I'm going to use as a demo is I just happen to have these 8x10 photo sleeves, but they do have the 3 holes already punched in them, so it makes an easy demo here. And the way this works is obviously your center hole, and the center hole itself has two little real small nubs that will accept that and sort of hold it in place. And then when you stretch this thing over the 2 little nubs at the end, I mean, it stays on there nice and tight. I mean, you'd have to pull on that thing to get it to come off. The way the little nubs are oriented, they pretty much seal that thing on there. So that's pretty cool. And then the only other thing you need is some type of a rubber band or strap or something. I just happen to have the rubber band off the Sunday newspaper this morning. But basically, I just put that on these 2 little curled up ends here as such. And then really just put this thing on, adjust it, and you are set. Now, obviously, my paper here is not as clear as transparency film, although I can see myself through there. But anyway, that's how these things work. And with any luck, I'll be printing a couple more of these. This is sort of a first piece for approval kind of thing. But anyway, that is your PPE face shield headband with an attached photo holder on it. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.